Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Insurance companies are warning that motor vehicle premiums could go up with increased number of crashes on the nation's roads. The warning comes as insurers face higher claims in recent times. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Motor vehicle crashes are seemingly on the increase, and a warning it could hurt motorists in the pocket in more ways than one.
For the last couple of years now, we've been seeing an increase, a dramatic increase in the number of accidents and also in the severity of the accidents. And by that I mean, the nature of them, the damage done to motor vehicles and the damage and injuries done to people. So it's having a significant impact on us, which ultimately will mean that we'll have to start increasing prices as we go forward.
Mr. Paul Layla says that data show insurance claims have increased drastically over the past 2 years.
Last year was 16% more paid out in motor claims than in 2016, and I think this year is likely to be much the same.
So how are insurance companies reacting to the uptick?
The idea for us is we pool up the premiums and then we pay those claims. So obviously, from that perspective, the number of claims is important because the amount claimed, if it starts to get close to the amount of premium we take, then clearly we're going to have to increase the prices. So right now, as a line of business, motor is probably losing money for every insurer in Jamaica.
General Manager of Jamaica National General Insurance, JNGI, Chris Hines, says part of the problem contributing to the upsurge in road crashes is a bad road infrastructure. But he says that the ultimate responsibility of road safety rests with motorists and pedestrians.
We really want to try and encourage Jamaican motorists to ease off the gas pedal a little bit, be more careful, be a little bit more sympathetic to those people who are around you, take note of what's happening, don't use cell phones and things of that nature.
For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Jamaica spent just under $1 billion on imports in January and February. This is a 16% increase on the amount spent over the corresponding period last year. The importation of food, manufactured goods, machinery and chemicals accounted for most of the increase. Exports, on the other hand, were valued at just $260 million. The outturn is that Jamaicans spend 3 times more on merchandise imports than is earned from goods exports. Oil prices declined today to settle at a 2-week low. The price of oil ordered for delivery in June dropped by $1.32 to settle at $67.25. That's the lowest settlement price for oil since April 17. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.37. The Canadian dollar traded at $100.50. Sterling cost $171.54, while the euro is going for $152.19. The JC market index rose to a new high today, closing up 67 points as it eyes the 300,000 point barrier. The junior market index, however, lost 12 points. Stocks posting gains today included Access Financial, Berger Paints, Epley Limited, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, Main Event Entertainment, Palace Amusement, Stationery Office and Supplies, and Visinco Group. On the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, Express Catering, Jamaica Producers, Jetcon, Lasco Distributors, Panjam, Scotia Group, and Supreme Ventures. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.